Hi guys, welcome to Mobitech. It's been 50 days since OnePlus launched its OnePlus 8 series, and everyone was wondering why OnePlus didn't launch OnePlus Z. According to leaks, OnePlus was holding this new smartphone just because of the ongoing pandemic, and now the phone appears on the Geekbench with the model number AC2003. In the benchmark, the device scored 612 in the single core and 1955 in the multi-core test. Some days back, we have already seen the front side of the phone, and as we expected from the leaks and rumors, OnePlus Z will be having the punctual camera on the top and some thick bezels on the side. Considering the leaks, OnePlus Z will be powered by an Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G chipset along with the 5G connectivity and will be the most affordable 5G smartphone in the market. Leaks also suggest that OnePlus Z will be having 6 and 8 GB of RAM coupled with 128 and 256 GB of onboard storage. This device will be having a triple camera setup with a 48 megapixel primary camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide lens, and a 2 megapixel depth sensor for the portrait effect, and could feature a 16 megapixel front facing camera for selfies. OnePlus Z will be having 6.4-inch 90Hz AMOLED display with a under display fingerprint scanner. It will be having 4000 mAh battery with a 30 watts of fast charging and will run Oxygen OS 10 out of the box. Well, the rumors are suggesting it could launch in the month of July with a very affordable price. This device is expected to be priced around $450 to $500 for the base variant and $550 to $650 for the higher end variant. Thank you guys for watching. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe for daily new smartphone updates.